Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix the Chrome not working error on PCs. The first step is restarting your system. This one resolves most of the problems you might face. The second step is opening your browser, searching for Chrome, downloading it, and then you just simply click on the installation file, try to install it, and if you've already got Chrome installed, it will update the Chrome. Or you just need to uninstall it and then reinstall it. Now, if that doesn't work, there's another step. You can just press the Windows key and R. Okay, this one will open the run bar. Now, what you want to enter is percentage. Oh, there it is. Temp. Percentage. And enter. Here you'll get all the files that are in your system. All temporary files. Just delete them all. Now, sometimes you'll get this error and you can skip whatever files that you cannot delete and delete the rest. It won't actually harm your PC or do any damage. It's just going to remove all temporary files. You can just try opening Chrome again and it will work.